So with the om642 MAF, it's very commonly known that you can't actually replace that sensor because it doesn't come out and it's glued in. It's not actually glued in as such, so I used a flat screwdriver and tapped it a few times. Tapped it a few times just on that area there, and lo and behold, there we are. So that whole sensor comes out. So that sensor has a part number on it, made by Bosch, and there we are. So I've just removed that. I didn't know you could remove this because I've looked all over the internet. So it looks like it has been glued on ever so slightly, but just a slight tap with a flat screwdriver and it pops right off, and it doesn't actually damage anything at all. There we are. So I did actually replace the full piece, but it looks like you don't need to. So yeah, that's quite interesting. So I'll be doing the same with the other one, and then I'll see if I can get this sensor alone, because you can probably get this sensor, but again, be careful because you can get a 4-pin, which is the pre-2014 ones. There we are. So that's got 4 pins, or you can get the 2014 and newer with the AdBlue, and they come with 5 pins, so just be careful when you're buying them. Otherwise, you're going to have to do a conversion on the plug from a 4-pin to a 5-pin, which is also quite easy. I've got another video on YouTube about that one, but there we are. You got 4 pins, and this is how you fit this sensor. So the other sensor, just to show you, I tapped it with a screwdriver just over there where that little dot is. If you tap it a few times there with a bit of force, and this is the screwdriver that I used, something with a big blade. So there we are. If you just tap it there with a hammer, it should just clip open and it comes right off. You don't even need to squeeze it or pull it or push it. It just breaks free from the glue. So yeah, I did try and find this information everywhere. Unfortunately, it's just not available. So I'm trying to help people out as much as they can. There we are. So good luck with it all, guys. So this is for an om642 on the e350, s350, any 3-litre diesel Mercedes engines between 2009, I think, all the way to 2018 maybe.